So my daughter's gonna be old enough to drive soon, and she needs a car. I mean soon, like project car soon. But I had some guidelines. No little shit boxes. If someone fucking smashes into her, I'd rather them smash in about the frame rails instead of her shoulder or her ear hole, like you would in most little shitbox cars. So, this is what she picked. I mean, it's alright. Needs a lot of work. But I figured at least she'll learn the struggle of a carbureted vehicle. I guess that's not much of a struggle. But at least it's a goddamn Chevy Silverado. Alright, it's K10 Silverado. It needs ass loads of work. And if you know me, you know there's a few things I like. One of them's a cold beer on a Sunday. The other one's a small block Chevy. That's a Goodrich 350, so it should be fine. And since she don't like that sludge-o-matic, it also only has first and reverse, but she wants some of that action. So we're gonna do some of that, and then let her rip tater chip. Somewhere along the lines, we're gonna take the front clip off that, and the front seats and console, sun visors, anything we can scavenge. It's also got a good 350 and 700 R4 axles, also good, but she don't want none of that shit. I might chop it down real short and make the sickest go-kart ever. I don't know. But anyway, between the panels from that and front doors and whatever we scavenge, and then LMC was gracious enough to sell me basically everything else I need. Like every square body, inner and outer cab corners, inner and outer rockers. The floors are mostly solid, but I just bought like that big ass piece. And the doors on that don't have no rust, so they're going in here. And then the dash from that's good, but we're gonna get the rest from LMC. Put a new bed floor on here. For some reason she likes those wheels. Whatever. And then we're just gonna send it. I wish the headliner was actually that design, but it just needs a headliner. That's the shit you get. But this GM Goodrich runs good as shit. Oh, fucking hell. I guarantee my neighbors hate my ass. Would you look at that? Look at it. But anyway, stay tuned or don't. Nobody cares. Nobody watches this shit anyway.